Okay, hi there everyone. Today we are going to create a YouTube thumbnail using PowerPoint. Our model will be my actual uploaded thumbnail. I choose this one because in here we crop picture, we insert objects and photos, we remove backgrounds, we add the text in different ways. So we will learn a lot with this one. So let's get started. We open up our PowerPoint. There you go. We need a blank presentation. So you have to clear this. We don't need this. And this title things, we don't need those. So right click and then cut. That's it. So we need to insert picture. When you insert picture, you click that insert button and then below pictures. But once you click that picture button, you will be having other option from this device or online. This from this device, of course. Then you go to where you hide your picture. That is my picture. So open and then insert. When you click insert, it will automatically be pasted to your slide. There you are. We need another photo. So click insert again. Same procedure. Insert and then picture this device. And then find your feature. There you are. Insert and there it is. Okay, let us adjust it. So we need another photo. This time we remove background. So we need another slide. So right click and then new slide. There you go. Let us clear these things. Let us delete this one and then go to insert pictures again from this device and then let's find it. There is my picture. Actually, that is a print screen coming from my video. I like that. If you want to crop that, you click that crop button. And then after clicking that crop button, you can crop the picture. You can make it smaller. You can cut it. Okay, if you want to remove background, you need to click format button and then on the upper leftmost part, click remove background button, remove background. Okay, there you are. And then you drag those dots, click outside the slide, there you are. But we don't need that. We need to copy that to create an independent image. So there, this is what we are going to use. Let us copy this thing and paste it to our actual thumbnail. There you go. Let's change size, still bigger. Okay, that's enough. So let us insert text. Click insert button. You go right, and then word art. I choose word art because you have a lot of options to choose from. And then let us highlight this thing, and then I always choose impact when it comes to this thing because it is really very visible even in cell phones. They can read it. So let us edit this from this. That's the preparation from this to this. Let us change color. How do we change the color? We go to format and then text field. Then you choose color. I choose gold. I like gold. And then change outline. Let us click black and then make it wider or thicker. How do you call that? There you are. So okay, but we do not end there. We need to put glow on it so that it will become independent. Glow, text effect, and then glow, but do not end there. Go to glow options. You know why? Because in there, you can change the color. You can change the size of the glow and everything. So I choose blue and then choose the size, make it wider. That's it. And then transparency, how thick it will be. Look, it's good. Now let us copy this thing so that we can edit it. But once you copy it, do not click this square button. It will become an image. Click that use destination theme so that you can edit it. Okay, there's the copy. Look, I can edit this because it is not an image. There you are. From this to this. So we need to insert shape. Insert, then shape. Let us find the shape. I need the arrow. Where you are. Where are you? And then there's the arrow. So let us change the size. You are. Then let us change the color of the arrow. Change shape fill, white. And then background, I need gold. And then make it thicker. Right, there you are. So it looks good. From this to this, we need the word to. So insert word art, of course. We need that black thing there. And then let us edit. To. Okay, let us make it bigger and smaller. I figure I should say, and then let's place there. Good. From this to this. So we're about to finish. So let us proceed to the main text. YouTube Studio exclamation point and question mark. There you are. Let's change it. I always choose Arial Black for this because Arial Black is really very visible. So let us change the size. Okay, and then let us change the background by, I need blue, this one. I don't know if you can see that, this blue, and then so that the main text will be seen. Okay, so let us put some glow in it and change. There you are. It's not yet visible. Let us change the outline black, make it thicker. So you can choose whether you make it thicker or not. So that's it. So now let us put glow, text effects, and then glow, and then glow to glow, go to glow options, and then look at the size. It's changing. Transparency, how thick it will be. Let us put red, and then make it thicker. Look, it's visible. Okay, you know how to change the size to maximize the box? Okay, let us do that. Let us click text effect and then transform, and then dot wrap. You click that. See? Change the size. Now we need to change the color. Text fill. Let us put gold. There you are. It's good. Now let us proceed to the last text. Let us highlight this. I made it myself. I made it myself. Exclamation point. Okay. Now let us change this and let us make it Arial Black. There you go. That it can be visible. Look at that. Now let us make it readable. Like format, and then go to text effect, glow options, and then let us change the color. I think I need brown. Where's the brown? There you are. And then make the size thicker, and then transparency is okay. Wait, make it a little bit like, okay, that's it. So that is our thumbnail. But wait, why is this white? Let us change the outline to black. There you are. The other one, let's change this one into black. There you are. Oh, why the arrow is black? Let us make it white. Format, click format, and then text fill white. And then the two should be black. Black outline and black fill. There you are. It's finished. Let us change this, make it bigger a little bit. There you are. And this one, let us let us make it also bigger. There you are. So that's our thumbnail. It's easy as that. So how to save this? It is very important. Now let us click file and then save as. And then for one, I always choose desktop so it can be easier to locate. That is the PowerPoint presentation of the thumbnail. So that one. So let us rename it. My Studio Thumbnail. Thumbnail for upload. Okay. Thumbnail for upload. But before you save this, before you save it, don't click the save button. You click that rectangle below and look for PNG, Portable Network Graphics, because you saved it as PNG, not as a PowerPoint presentation. That's it. So click save. There you are. If you have options, of course, you click just this one. Just this one. There you are. So you have now. Let us try to find it out if we have it. There you go. So let us open it. That is our thumbnail. Don't worry about the size. It's the actual size needed by YouTube. So no problem. Look at that. That's the same size. So we have now your thumbnail. Our thumbnails. So that's it. Thank you so much for staying till the end. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope I helped you. And if you find it helpful, please find time clicking that subscribe button down there for future videos. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
All right, I'm a genius.